Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing my new JOBY GorillaPod mobile rig. Let's go! I purchased the JOBY GorillaPod mobile rig as I wanted something more versatile and adaptable. I like the features that this product has to offer and the option for you to be able to customize it. For example, to add bits on and to take bits off. Normally, I have been using this product for the past 2 months and it's replaced my old Ulanzi Mini tripod mobile mount. In my opinion, this is a quality product. It's what we expect from JOBY. I purchased this item online for about £50, but usually it retails from about £50 to £100. I will leave some links down below in the description. So straight out of the box, first we have the GorillaPod 6-socket arms. You have 2 of these, and these can usually be attached onto the main tripod. These arms are flexible, and you can also add other attachments to the arms. So next we have an attachment, which is a GoPro pin joint mount. The next attachment is the cold shoe mount. Next we have the neck piece, which connects to the legs. This part is a smartphone clamp. To adjust the tightness of this, simply use the screw feature at the back to tighten and to loosen the clamp. You can adjust the clamp to portrait or landscape position. Cold shoe mount at the top. These are the adjustment screws. And last but not least, we have the flexible wrapping legs, which are rubberized ring and foot grips. Very sturdy product, and these flexible wrapping legs are very useful when wrapping them around lampposts when I'm outdoors by myself filming. My conclusion is that I really like this product and I definitely enjoy using it. I find it very useful for what I need it for, especially when I'm outside by myself filming and vlogging. It is a very versatile and practical product, and I like the build quality and features, especially the flexible wrapping legs. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Peace.